if I click on any of these links, it will bring me directly to the Facebook. Here I click on YouTube, it will bring me to the YouTube channel and Instagram. In this video, we are going to create this signature for your Gmail, Outlook, or any other mail service you're using, and all the buttons shown in this signature will be clickable if you click on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, or any of the links provided in this signature will be clickable, and there will be a photo at the side. All you need to do is to have one picture, 80 by 80 pixels, a Dropbox account, and this website for a free signature. Go to mail-signature.com and go to signature templates. Here there are a lot of templates and you can log in with your Google account there. You can choose which template you like. Let's say I like this, the first one, and now I need to go to edit signature. Here are different options. You want to create a signature for Outlook, 365, App Mail, or Gmail, or Thunderbird, or Exchange, or whatever. So I'm going to create for now Gmail, and here are the different options. You need to fill the information. Write your job title, here your email address, and here you can write your phone number. I'm just leaving it a default phone number. Go to your company data. I don't have a company, but I have a website, so that's my website. I can rename it into blogs. Whatever I write here, you can see the change there at the side. My website is global, so there is no zip code. Delete that information. Now, that's why I was asking you to have 80 by 80 pixel profile picture. Just go to graphics and first go to dropbox.com, and here you create a free account and upload one of your pictures. How to make that picture? Just open Canva and go to a new design, go to custom size 80 by 80, hit create new, go to upload, and upload the picture you like for your profile picture. Rescale the picture and you're good to go. Just go to share, download, and download as a PNG, rename it, save. Now close everything here, go to your Dropbox account, press on upload file. This is the photo we created. So I have a picture here. Just go to share option, and if you're using a signature here, you can send to signature, send for signature here. Here is the share option. Copy this link, go back to this setting, and now replace this link with another link. All right, here is the style. You can choose what color you want for your name and other text. Then go to social media links, and here you paste all the social media links, for example, for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or other social media. Let me copy mine. Now I have pasted all the links. Now go to apply for a signature. Copy this one. Now go to your email address. Let's get rid of this one. Go to setting, see all setting. Scroll all the way down, and here create a new signature test. All right, here just copy this one and now paste. Choose from this list test and save changes. Now we go and create a new email, and here we go. Here we got all the elements. Here I send this email to my own email, and let's check. By the way, this photo is not shown. Maybe I have done some wrong steps there, but you can check at this place where it says graphics. There is an info button, you can check around. I'm gonna send this email. Open the email, we just sent an email there. Open the email account. We got this email. Now, I just want to show that here is Facebook, X, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If I click on any of these links, it will bring me directly to the Facebook. Here I click on YouTube, it will bring me to the YouTube channel and Instagram. So this is how it works. Very simple, very nice, and good looking signature is there. So if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.